Maintaining the correct oil level in your 2013-2017 Chevrolet Trax is critical for engine health, performance, and longevity. Low oil can lead to overheating and engine damage. This video will show you exactly how to check it using the Dipstick. The engine oil dipstick in the 2013-2017 Chevy Trax is located under the hood on the driver's side of the engine. Look for a bright yellow or orange handle. It's typically near the front of the engine, next to the air intake or oil filter housing. For 1.4-liter turbo engines, it might be slightly offset toward the firewall. Before checking your oil, proper preparation ensures an accurate reading. First, park your Trax on a level surface to ensure the oil settles correctly. Turn off the engine and wait 10 to 15 minutes to allow the oil to settle back into the oil pan. If the engine is hot, wear gloves to protect your hands from burns. First, pull the dipstick out completely from the engine. Second, wipe the dipstick clean using a lint-free cloth or paper towel. Third, reinsert the dipstick fully back into the tube. Fourth, pull the dipstick out again and carefully examine the oil level markings. The dipstick has two key marks: low, also called min, and full, also called max. The oil level should always be between these marks. If the oil level is below the low mark, you need to add oil. Do not overfill past the full mark, as this can cause engine damage. Here are some crucial tips for maintaining your Chevrolet Trax's engine oil safely and effectively. Always use the correct oil grade as specified in your owner's manual to ensure proper engine performance and longevity. Perform regular oil level checks every 1,000 miles or monthly to prevent engine damage and ensure optimal performance. Never pour used oil down drains. Always dispose of it at an authorized recycling center to protect the environment. Watch for oil leaks, particularly from the camshaft position sensor, which was a recall issue for some 2013-2015 Trax models. Check under the vehicle regularly. While newer cars are moving towards digital oil monitoring, manual checks are still essential for your 2013-2017 Trax. Regular, accurate oil level checks are a simple way to extend the life of your engine and prevent costly repairs. Thanks for watching.